I just wanted to tell you quickly that down below this video there's a button where you can register for a live training call. Now this is completely free of charge to attend, and on this call myself and Brendan, who's my business partner, we're both seven-figure super affiliates, okay? We make a lot of money. I'm talking about between $80,000 to $150,000 each per month. And what we want to do on this live call is show you exactly what we're doing inside of our business. We're going to blow open our business model and we're going to show you everything that we're doing inside of our business to be able to make this kind of money. Now, bearing in mind, me and Brendan have been doing this for a while, so we do know what we're doing. But imagine if you could make 10% of what we're making, you know, $80,000 to $150,000 a month. That's $8,000 to $15,000 a month. If you could even make 1% of that, that's still a lot of money that you can generate online. So I hope you will join me on this free live call. If you click on the link down below, it's going to take you through to a page where you can go and see the dates and the times that this live call is going to take place. Go and see and choose the best time of day that you want to be able to attend. You can see it in your time zone. You can choose the date as well. And make sure that you register your name and your email address and everything else in order to secure your seat on the call. Now there's only going to be 500 seats in total available on this free call, so make sure that you go ahead and you secure your seat as soon as you can while it's still available, and we'll look forward to seeing you on the call shortly.